What's up everyone, this is Matthew from anotherworldterraria.com. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and I am super excited. These are some really great rare miniature plants, and when I say miniature I mean like these are micro plants, like really small, so prepare yourself for micro awesomeness. So I'm just going to open this and we'll just pull the bag out and go through the plants really quick. So this is a private seller, and I was going back and forth with the guy a little bit online, and we kind of determined some of the things I'm interested in, and then he went and grabbed a variety of things for me. So let's see, we got a little pile of stuff here. Some of these I don't know exactly what they are, or the genus or species. Some of them I kind of know. So this one right here is a diastema, and I believe it's a gesneriad, and I'm super excited about this one. This is one that I contacted him about. Just really beautiful foliage. The video probably doesn't even do it justice. Nice little cutting there with a couple growth points. I'm just gonna mist this, and then I've got a bag over here, and I put wet paper towels so I can just throw the plants in there as we look at them. So this guy is a beautiful miniature little fern, really nice fronds there, nice texture, and yeah, I really like that. Just missed him too a little bit. Throw him in the bag. I believe these two cuttings are the same thing, and as far as I know, these are an epiphytic blueberry. You know, they're not actually a true blueberry in the sense of like what we eat. You know, those are shrubs, but I don't know the genus. I'll check with the guy, but these are super cool little vines, epiphytes, that you can put on branches and backgrounds and they'll hang down. It's very cool, and I think they get some really neat little flowers, and then they actually do, some of them get like the actual blue berry from the flower. So anyway, these are pretty cool. Simple, unassuming little plant, but super cool, and I'm sure it'll look great when it starts to grow in as an epiphyte and then it, you know, takes off. Throw these in the bag. Here we have a absolutely stunning peperomia. Yeah, look at that. Look at the veining on those leaves. That's a beautiful peperomia. One of the nicest I've ever seen, actually. There's some really common ones like Peperomia prostrata and stuff like that, but this seems to be a completely different species. It looks very similar, but there's a lot of peperomia, and I like that kind of texture and stuff and modeling on the stem too. That's really nice. So it's a good little cutting there. This is a Selaginella, and I really like how small that is. It's a nice smallish Selaginella. The leaves are really tiny, and yeah, it's compact and really nice form on it. I like that. That's a nice one. Never really been a fan of Selaginella until recently. I started getting a couple different species, and I got a really rare one. Can't really see it, but there's almost like hairs or bristles or something. That's super cool. Nice coloration too. Anyway, so I'll stop blabbing about that and throw them in the bag, and we'll keep going. Some really cool ferns in here. So there's a fern, micro fern. Got a nice little rhizome trailing off here, and you can see a plant here, another plant there, another plant there. This is a species that I don't have yet, so it's always good to get something new. go good in some nano terrariums and stuff. Once I get established, I usually take all my new plants and put them in a quarantine tank and get them adjusted until I know they're stable, and then at some point in the future I can put them in like a display terrarium or something. But I just like to start out on the safe side. Here's more fern. This may just be, you know, the same. Throw these in. These are going to be fun to plant, right? That's why I have tweezers everywhere. The last fern is a different species. The fronds, the shape of the pinna. The pinna are the divisions. So these individual things that look like leaves, those are the pinna on the frond. So you can see that those are completely different shape, and the frond is a completely different shape than the other ferns that we were just looking at a minute ago. And it looks like I got a whole nice little cluster of that with a couple fronds, and then you can see rhizomes coming out with more baby plants. And I also got a really cool there's a really cool little moss on there too. He just threw that in, which is nice. I like that moss. Looks similar to some mosses I already have, but it's definitely a different species, so nice to have. You know, I am a moss and liverwort fiend. That's the order. Super happy with it. Lots of really awesome rare miniature plants. All of this stuff is super cool, and it's going to be a pain in the neck to plant it, but it's going to be awesome. So anyway, that is the unboxing. I want to thank you guys for watching my videos. I really hope you enjoy them and that you get some value out of them, whether it's entertainment or learning tips and tricks about plants or anything. So feel free to just post any questions, comments, what have you in the comment section down there, and if you liked it, please give it a like and go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, as well as other tips and information and behind the scenes of my terrariums and plants and all of that good stuff. Thank you guys very much, and have a great day.